Certainly, let's walk through setting up high availability and fault tolerance for your VMs in Azure. I'm gonna lay it out for you in a way that you can get the gist, as if we're just chatting over coffee. You see, in the realm of Azure, for your business to keep running, whether for customer satisfaction or to keep the green in your pocket, you gotta make sure your server is up and going, no matter what. Now, configuring your VM for high availability, oh boy, that's a big deal. Azure got this handy-dandy feature called availability sets, where you group your VMs together so they're not all crowded in one corner, get it? You throw in some good old networking logic so the cluster can handle itself if one of them goes kaput for whatever reason. Now, layer availability zones on top, and you are not just playing it safe. You are bouncing back double time. Imagine you got 4 servers, right? Now, if you just put them in one big pot, one bad hardware day for all 4 could be your jam. But throw them in different zones, and that's different story, buddy. One zone could be taking a nap, and the other to continue keeping it rolling. So, you keep your services distributed, with redundancy built in. That way, if one of the zones says, I can't do it today, well, the others are too small for complaints. Let's say you want a bit more control and want to set up a customized load balancer inside these sets. That thing has got to be savvy enough to handle VM migrations like it's butter off the churn. But hey, do it right, and it'll spread the work so none of your apps will even blink an eye. Now, get real with disaster preparedness. What do we do if an earthquake hits, or, heavens forbid, a hurricane rolls in? Azure lets you back up your VMs to remote storage or to a different region. We are talking a whole backup plan. So when stuff hits the fan up here, you gotta have that plan ready to roll. And buddy, for the tech buffs out there, don't forget Azure Traffic Manager. That's your failover, keeping traffic smooth when needed. It's not just for backups, oh no. It redirects your users, balancing the load too. Now, how about health monitoring and alarms? Azure got something called health monitoring to keep an eye on all your servers' vitals, alerting you of any abnormalities so you can swoop in fast. Couple that with alerts and automation for common issues, and your machines hardly know the difference between work and play. When it comes to security and governance, always keep a tight lid. Encrypt that data as it zooms off and back, encrypt those connections, stay 2 steps ahead with network security, and always play by the best practices. Oh, and if you want the pro chefs to whip up your VM recipes, Azure offers Azure Automation. Run your scripts in the cloud, set schedules, and don't forget to automate the backups too. Buddy, I told ya, with the right tactics, you are set for all the unexpected tomfoolery Mother Nature might throw your way. Always keep an eye out for updates that can patch out new kinks in the system, because who knows, Azure might just throw in an upgrade that gets you even more secure. And about scaling, here's the scoop. If your load goes through the roof, scale Azure, just like you are bouncing more balls into a hoop of resources in the cloud. Now, if we are talking about high availability, we can't forget the good old-fashioned testing. Do your dry runs, simulate failures, see how things shake down, and get that plan tweaked until it's airtight. As I wrap this up, I know you are probably thinking, phew, that's a lot to chew on. But don't you fret, with these steps, that business of yours is set to thrive for the long haul. And who knows? Maybe someday you'll be the go-to guy for high availability on Azure. Keep an eye out. Keep learning. And remember to keep that faith in technology. So, to keep our conversation rolling and to ensure this info sticks, drop by neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to our TechLab. Can't wait to see how you conquer Azure's challenges. Cheers!